YouTube, what's good? We finally made it to Virginia Beach. It's lit. Okay, so look, I'm gonna show y'all our little apartment or whatever. If I can find the light, you know, gotta have some lighting in here. Where the light at? Yeah, so this is our apartment. So we got this TV, got the couch, chair, everything. This morning we made breakfast, so we made eggs and bacon and toast and all of that. And right now we're getting ready to go to this little 4-minute beach that's like right around the corner. We're gonna go sit over there, you know, catch the breeze a little bit. And then later on we're gonna go jet skiing, and then y'all gonna see me on the GoPro. It's gonna be so much fun. It's gonna be so much fun. It's gonna be so lit. I was just getting ready, so I just wanna get ready with y'all real quick. So we're about to leave out. Yeah, yesterday was a long drive yesterday, y'all. Like, it took us forever. First of all, we would have got here around like 3:30 had it not been so much traffic. Like, just to go across the bridge to get into Virginia Beach, like, it was so much traffic. Then we finally made it here around like 5:15. Got here, but we had to wait that out because we was not going to sit in that traffic. Like, that traffic was not moving. It was not moving at all. See my hair, y'all? I did it myself, y'all. I did a good job. Yes hair. I did a good job with my little fashion over top. My hair about to be flowing on these jet skis, like so yeah, we're about to get ready to leave out, so I'll see y'all when we get to the little beach. So we about to go jet skiing. Look at the outfit. Check the fit. Check the swimsuit. We lit. Alright, so we about to go get in the car. After we came from the first beach, we just chilled out for a little bit until jet skiing. Now we about to go. So we're going to be lit. We're about to have so much fun. Oh my god. It's going to be lit. So like this video. Comment if you are new. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button if you are new. Go ahead, thumb up this video already because it's about to be lit.
Alright, y'all, first thing you guys are gonna do when you get on this jet ski, you're gonna take this lanyard, put it on your left wrist, and make sure it's tight. That way when you guys are out there, if you fall off for any reason, this pops out, cuts the engine off. If this does happen to pop out, you just take this key, looks like a U, you're gonna slide it right underneath that knob right on top. That's gotta be the whole time for the jet ski to operate.
Y'all, jet skiing was lit. It was lit. Now we about to crush. We about to crush the soup. Yes. It made me put on a shirt, but it's cool. This watermelon pasta.
know she had to copy me. You know she had to copy me.
Okay, so
Always gotta copy.
so what? I didn't know what I wanted, so I got what you got. Y'all, we did that. We about to dig in. Yes. Who's about to dig in? We on vacation, and you know, people still gotta pull out the 2K. Why you doing that? That's hilarious. Cadillac slide.
You're not doing the same thing.
Wait. Look like this, right?
No, you're in the way. You just, no, I was never doing that.
Blew up. Right? Alright, y'all, so we getting ready to go parasailing. It's gonna be so much fun. We getting ready. We already dressed. We're about to leave around like 1:30. What time is it now? I don't have my phone, so I'm recording with it. I don't know what time it is. What time is it? Okay, it's 12:36, so we're gonna be leaving in 30 minutes. Do you want to talk to them about, like, you want to talk to them about?
How scared I am?
Yeah.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
No, I don't. Just know that if I die, it's all her fault.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. We about to be up there, and me and Greg are going first. We are going first. Are so far, and we're still going up. We're still going up. This is 800 feet. Wow. Look at that. This is fantastic. We're still going up, y'all. Look at them. I don't even know if y'all can see them. This is exactly what I wanted. So bad. It's so bad. I want to be dipped in the water. Yes. Dipped in the water. Oh my God. We're going higher. Oh my God. And you think about it, like the boat is really going fast as hell now. Hey, why you let go some? Just let go.
Don't even touch me, bro. Get off me,
Hold
bro.
my hand.
Go.
I don't want to come down. No, it's not. It's going fast. Oh my God, here we go. Here goes the Y'all, we on the parasail and they gonna let us jump in the water. I'm about to jump in the water, baby, about to record me. Okay, all right, it's lit. You ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright, man. Oh yeah, very salty. It's salt for it. Yeah, don't drink it.
Oh, sharks!
You're a professional.
Babe, we did that.
We? You?
We did it.
You did it.
I did it.
Yeah, you did it for me too. Yeah, I got your face. You did it for me too.
So much fun.
Yeah, that was for both of us.
It was hot.
Got okay? You gotta put the water in my face though? Jeez.
Bro, you was so loud out, y'all. Yes, I did. Hella fun. Y'all, we had so much fun parasailing. Like, it was so much fun. We got dipped in the water. We got to jump in the water. We actually paid for an 800-foot flight, but we was actually 1,000 feet in the air. That was lit, so they let us go higher than expected. We got a little Polaroid picture. We cute. Yeah, Bert, right now we're gonna be on our way to the beach. Chill out for a little bit. Go get some food later. I'll see y'all at the beach. All right, y'all, so we getting ready to leave. We had so much fun at the beach. We caught a few waves. I was talking about, dang, I really want to catch some waves. And as soon as I said, let's catch some waves, the waves came. And I was so happy. It was like when you was at Six Flags and the wave pool just come on. That's exactly how it was. So we about to leave now. About to go make some tacos at the house. So I'll see y'all when we get there. Bye. I just worked my butt off in this kitchen, y'all. Tacos about to be bomb. Late night beach food.
Oh my God. You wanted to go here? Come on, go in the water.
I'm not going in the water. I just wanted to get close to the water. Can you back it up a little bit?
Just go get the
Stop. For real. This is going in the water. Stop. Late night beach food, gang, gang. It's lit. Ooh. All right, y'all, so we leaving the house, we leaving the apartment. It was so much fun here at Virginia Beach, but now we gotta go. Check out us at 11, so that's in like 2 minutes. So one last look around our nice little balcony. We never got to use the hot tub because it was just way too hot at night, so it was just way too hot. I didn't even feel like it anymore. But see y'all when we get back in Maryland. It was lit, we had fun. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, all of that, okay? And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.